smokes, look at how strong those limbs are. Hey guys, back out here. We finished up falling yesterday, and Donnie's trying to get all this bigger stuff out before the rain comes, because the skid road going out of here is really bad. So I'm gonna buck knots all day today, help him get some of this stuff out. I thought I'd film a little bit of the equipment. We got like, I don't know, a couple of big ones over here. It's gonna be pretty cool to see his skidder try to get these out of there. So I'm gonna film it. He's gonna flip all this stuff over so I can finish getting all the knots off. There's a lot of knots still. Okay.
I don't think they're gonna be that heavy with all them limbs.
We got that next tree back there.
Yep.
And then there's the two out there, or two out there.
Yeah, I think there's two.
Yeah, okay. Okay.
It's got a double top. So
I gotta walk through here, so I gotta cut away.
oh yeah, no problem.
You might walk through and with that one and then make your way through around.
Yeah, over there. Right in
There's a pretty good path around. You might grab that one and these two first and get that one last. He's got a chunk, and then I think there's 2 tops.
Okay.
If I remember right.
Are they bucked?
They're bucked.
Okay, I'll push that into the skid trail.
Yep.
So it's all set up. I'm trying to do a little bit of that so I don't have to do it on the way out to that 7-footer.
You're gonna swing this one this way?
Yeah, I'm gonna put it so I can cut through that hole with the skidder.
Yep. I'll jump off here. I'll stage up over there and let you kind of pull this out.
The other big one's ready. I rolled it.
This one over here, I can start bucking?
It's all rolled over.
Okay. Yummy!
Might have to rebuck these. I don't think he knew that there was a big flood in there.
He might not have bucked it.
Couldn't see it from the top, I don't think. That split.
Maybe.
But if you look at it now,
This is a pretty big log here. It was a struggle getting this one off. A lot of limbs on it. It didn't want to go. Okay. You want me over there now?
yeah, I'll jump on one too. I might as well.
Okay.
Sorry about that, Gordy.
Oh, there's a limb underneath of it.
That worked out good.
Limbs are crazy. I almost took a ride on that last log that Donnie was bucking. I shouldn't even have been on the log, but I didn't realize there was limbs underneath. Live and you learn. Never been around any spruce like this. Take a spruce job. It'd be fun, they said. Man, that thing was in the ground.
See, that makes it so much easier to even grab it with my grapples on my skidder.
Good. I got enough off there for you?
Oh, plenty.
Okay, good. I think you can get this one out.
Yeah, it didn't feel that heavy. I've got about 4 or 5 I'm thinking I better get out tomorrow for sure. They're going to be my first ones.
You want to head up to the 7-footer?
Yeah, I'm just going to put that right back in the hole here.
Okay.
And then I may have, actually I think I got it all bunched. It'll just take me a second to move the skidder. You see my pathway, it goes on the north side of that ugly little spruce that you guys saved.
Yep.
And I walked right through there, it goes right to the top of that 7-footer. And there's kind of a weird little opening there. It's no trees.
Okay, I'll grab my gear and follow you. Okay, I'm all fueled up. We made it all the way to the end of the job, which is right over there. That's the last stump. Man, it's really something coming back and looking at these crazy stumps. Donnie was sinking down trying to lift these things. They're so big, but I wanted to say something. I started cutting out here Saturday. I used my 044 and my hands and everything were fine. And then Sunday I used my 500 and I ran my 36 on it. And then Garrett, he's like, hey, put your 32-inch bar on that 066 flat top that I have, and put an 8-pin on it. And I'm like, you know, thinking, okay, we're gonna really limb fast and everything. And I got about halfway through the day and my hands were done. I don't cut all the time and I'm old, so obviously, you know, that's part of it, but it's amazing how much the suspension difference is from like the spring suspension going back to the old solid mount, you know, like I didn't realize that much because I started limbing and, you know, you're running through a ton of gas and the vibration, it was just numb on my hands. I couldn't run the throttle with my trigger finger. I was using my middle finger and then my thumb for a while. And I'm like, oh man, I can't even go no more. It was bad. And then took a day off, went back to the warehouse. And then I came back yesterday, fell all day yesterday with my 500. And today, almost through all my gas, hands are fine. No issues at all. So that's a testament to these saw companies going to the springs. I mean, it's a big difference, but I just didn't personally realize it until I had actually ran that 66 after I was super tired. So I don't know, just something I came across. So I'm gonna throw on my stuff here and pack my way towards Donnie. We're gonna go see if we can find this this big 7-footer to drag out. Ugly top. Yeah, that's the top of the log. And it somehow grew into these stupid stems. Try to get around here after Donnie moves some brush. There's nowhere for me to stand. It's kind of cool to be here when the trees get fell, and then you get to see how they come out of here. I'm never really on this end of the job, but it's kind of nice to be here and lemon buck the rest of this.
That's a 39 too.
Is it?
But that's pretty clean. I moved that other one real easy. I drug it ahead about 10 feet with the shovel. That big one.
Yeah. Once we get it bucked, I don't think it'll be a problem.
No.
I mean, limbed.
It's just them limbs.
Oh man, they're tough. Donnie the Delimmer, I call you. I was like, keep tearing them off.
I know, if I could have reached farther, I would have.
All right. There's the end of the line.
Yeah, I think that's just a chunk of shit over there. Or no, I must have it bunched.
Okay, you made it to that other tree, right?
Yeah, that other 7-footer.
This was our first one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Should we measure it? Oh, you got tape.
I got tape, you want?
Yeah, I want to measure it.
Measure this one out? It's 39.
Just the butt. Did you want to measure the butt?
I already did, it's 7 foot.
Oh, never mind then. I thought you thought it was a little bigger.
6 foot 9 inches. That way. Six foot 7 inches that way.
Huh, right on. That's what you call 7 foot.
That's only 6 foot. So she never made the 7 foot.
I'm gonna say she was. I already put it in writing on social media.
Hell, it could have been 9 foot if you'd have cut lower, but you know, then you got all the swell. It doesn't make no sense.
Nope. That's why the old boys use springboards.
Yep. What do you think, Donnie?
Well, I'll try to move that after we roll it one more time, and then see if I can roll this once. It's probably not many limbs on this.
Okay, I need to get back over there so I can limb some more.
Okay.
Okay. Now I gotta climb back up here. Look at the growth rings on this thing. Wow. These things grow so fast. Perfect. Rip them limbs off for me. Holy smokes, look at how strong those limbs are. Pick up a butt of a tree like that, it's nuts. What do you think? You gonna drag them out?
Yeah. I'm gonna start right here.
Okay. You got a pin on that side that's stuck on your track.
A pin?
Right there. It's not articulating.
We have problems with this. Where we bought these tracks, my buddy had the same thing. Don't know why.
It's right there.
Yeah.
It's like kinked and it won't come out of it.
I know, there's more than one spot. And I've tried tightening them up, you know, and running it more, but it happens.
Wonder why.
They eventually rust and just don't move.
Start spraying lube on them while she sits.
Could be. Thanks for helping, man.
Yeah.
I wouldn't have been done today. Maybe, I don't know. It'd have been a fucking late day.
Yeah, but it's better with two guys. You're in the machine, and now we had some fun. You got them all done.
Yeah.
And now you're gonna be partying tomorrow. Comes the old timberjack. See what he's got behind there. He's got that second log off that 7-footer or whatever we called it. Little grade there. Get these little ones out of the way here. Yep, we probably should have bucked her 33. That's at 39 right now. 39, 33, 27 was our lengths. Next time, I guess. Spruce, you gotta love it. Off camera, Donnie was saying that he should have grabbed this one from the butt end, the bigger end. They skid a little better if the butt's towards the skidder. But he might not have had as much problem if these logs weren't here. He kind of fell off the trail there.
That one's a little.
Is it?
Yeah. It works, but it's hard to shut. So
well, you might want WD-40, Donnie.
I just leave her shut. Yeah, that other one will come up if I spin it and just grab it by the butt.
Yep. Let's check this thing out inside here.
And I think the 26s will come out easier than them 40s.
The old timberjack. Well, thank you, sir, for the work.
Thank you.
I'm going to end the video
Appreciate
here.
Right
Pleasure
on.
to work with you always.
You bet. Always a fun time.
All right, guys. We'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching. This is definitely one of the videos that are going in my memory bank. We don't get up on stuff like that very often, so, or ever. But see you on the next one. Thanks.
Peace.